G'day, I am in a Huawei shop at the moment and I can now just have a quick look at the Fold. Now, I've come across the Asus Fold. Now, this is the Huawei Fold. It's actually quite amazing itself, and just having a play with the OS is a bit of a different story here. Now, this is a Huawei Fold. Now, what it's really nice is this is like integrated, nothing in between. You can fold it. At the moment, I'm just going to try and bring it up, and yeah, it's a foldable LCD screen. I've got another one over there, I'll just bring it up here. But even just the back of it is a leatherette sort of feels. It's got a very luxurious sort of feel to it. And I can see the bend is actually quite nice for it. And we got pretty much one USB-C, got another USB-C. They're actually in a different way, which is really quite nice. Even just seeing the actual ventilation system is very well on it. It's very thin. For it as well too, so when you combine it together, this is a very nice hold. It's probably around about 12 inch. I think it's about 12 inch here. Very nice build quality. Like, this is stainless steel down here. Probably around about, I would say, nearly 1 kilo. So really amazing on how it goes through here. But just even going to the OS itself, I'm just going to try and bring it up down here. I'm just going to bring this up here, and just looking at the OS here is something different. Now, this OS is a bit of a combine of, for me, it feels a bit like a Mac, between a Mac and a Windows OS itself. It operates like the actual file system. That looks like Windows, but when you get to the applications, it's a bit of like an iOS first version, and even going through the operating system, like if you go down to here, you'll see the actual, I'm going to bring this thing up. This looks like a Mac OS for this is the system preferences there. So it's a bit of a combine for the Harmony OS. It's actually quite nice to actually see this itself. So having two screens, and I know you got this thing which is detachable, but it is quite nice around here. Now I'm going to just show you quickly another version of this, which is a black design. That's a black design. That's a really ultimate design, but again, feels very nice system. I think Huawei has actually been quite amazing here itself. So very nice. They also got some cars over there down that side here. Down that side, there's some amazing Huawei cars, and I've been blown by how. But this is a very nice similar. Yeah, I think I'd like to see this in Australia. It would be great to see these in Australia. So, anyway, that's all. Hope you guys enjoy it.